Village Panchayat chief arrested in buffalo smuggling case. The arrested accused is the head of Pulvarikandi village panchayat in Kailashahar. His name is Sundar Mia. The court ordered to keep him in jail till Tuesday. It is to be noted that on March 28, the police seized two Bolero vehicles loaded with buffaloes from the area adjacent to Anandabazar SPU camp in Dharmanagar. It is known that some smugglers have been smuggling buffaloes and cows through Dharmanagar to Kailashahar road for the past few months. Recently, the Dharmanagar police has finally arrested the head of Pulvarikandi village panchayat after investigating the case of buffalo trafficking. The court ordered to keep him in jail till Tuesday. Later, while speaking to reporters, accused Sundar Mia denied guilty.
তোমার নাম, তুমি কি করো, কোন গ্রামের পঞ্চায়েত প্রধান, কোন গভর্নমেন্টে, রুলিং গভর্নমেন্ট বলতে বিজেপি গভর্নমেন্ট। কত বছর এদের প্রধানগিরি করো?
19 জুলাই মাসে।
তার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে এই ইয়ারে ফায়দা লইয়া কতদিন থেকে গরুর ব্যবসা করো?
Now the police are investigating the case whether Pulvarikandi Gram Panchayat Pradhan Sundar Mia have a relation with buffalo smugglers or not. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.